how to find the mean, mode, median, and range from a stem and leaf diagram in 140 seconds. Let's go. Here, guys, we've got quite a lot to get through. Let's have a look. The question says, calculate the mean, mode, median, and range for the following data. We're given this stem and leaf diagram. We're given this key. We're told that 2 line 4 represents 24, and then we're given our prompts for our mode, range, median, and mean. Let's get it done. First off, our mode, guys. The mode, that one's going to be the most occurring. Think of both of those words, mode and most, at the beginning with MO. So what's going to be our mode? We can see that we have 2 4s over here. So we have 1 line 4 twice. What does 1 line 4 represent? That represents 14, because 2 line 4 represents 24. The 2 is in the tens column, the 4 is in the units column, so we have 1 4 as our mode, 14. Now, where do we go from there? We're going to do our range, guys. The range, what's that going to be? It's going to be our largest number minus our smallest number. In this case, we have 3 line 1 as our largest number, which is going to be 31. And we have 1 line 0 as our smallest number, which is going to be 10. So we can do 31 minus 10. 31 minus 10, that's going to be 21, giving us, guys, our range of 21. Next up, our median. What's it going to be? The median, guys, that one is going to be the one which, when we line them up from smallest to largest, is in the middle. So we can see conveniently that in our stem and leaf diagram, they're already lined up from smallest to largest. We have smallest, next smallest, next smallest, next smallest, etc. So the best way to do this is actually going to be to cross off one from the bottom, then one from the top, then one from the bottom, then one from the top, until we have just one number left. That's going to be our middle number. So what are we going to have? We're going to cross off our 10, then our 31, then our 14, then our 27, then our 14, then our 21. Then we're going to be left with our 6 in the middle. So it's going to be 1 line 6, which is going to be 16 as our median. Let's get that written in, guys. Finally, our mean. This one is definitely going to be the meanest. What are we going to do? We're going to add together all of our values and divide by the number of numbers that we have. So converting all of these into numbers and adding them together, what are we going to have? We're going to have 1 line 0, which is 10, plus 14, plus 14, plus 16, plus 21, plus 27, plus 31. That is going to be 133. So 133 is going to be the sum. Then we're going to do 133 divided by the number of numbers that we have. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So we're going to do 133 divided by 7, 133 divided by 7. That is going to be 19. So, guys, our mean, that is going to be 19, our final answer to our final part of this question.